A fight over abortion in Arizona today. The Arizona Supreme Court taking up a landmark case for women's rights today after Roe versus Wade was overturned last summer, really setting off a chain reaction across the country, leaving it up to each state to decide what is to be enforced there.
News 4 Tucson's Gabrielle Parrish is live outside the state Supreme Court with more on the proceedings that took place today. Gabrielle.
Sean and Monica, justices listened to the details of two conflicting abortion laws, one dating back from 1864, banning all abortions unless it's to save the life of a mother, and the recent law, which is in effect, that allows abortions up to 15 weeks. Now, the pro-life attorney Jake Warner, who represented the Alliance Defending Freedom, argued that there is no conflict between the two laws and that they can both coexist. But some doctors feel the law is confusing. For example, if they perform an abortion on a woman 8 weeks pregnant, will they or will they not be prosecuted? Under the old law, yes, unless it's to save the life of a mother. And they could face anywhere from 2 to 5 years in prison. Under the current law, an abortion can be performed up to 15 weeks, and that was upheld by the appeals court last year. Arizona State Attorney General Chris Mays, Pima County Attorney Laura Conover, and Planned Parenthood said doctors should not have to fear going to jail for performing an abortion.
The stories that we have heard nationwide about couples being sent back out into the parking lot to wait until your life is in danger enough, then come back in, and then we can provide you life-saving care.
I made it clear on the campaign trail that I was going to exercise supervisory authority over any county attorney who attempted to prosecute women or doctors.
Now, there are 6 justices on this case, but one had to recuse himself for having anti-abortion views. Now, if the vote ties 3-3, the current appeals court decision will remain in effect. We'll have more on this story at 5. Reporting live from Phoenix, Gabrielle Parrish, News 4 Tucson.